The new Soraluce FLP1400 is capable of running 6 tubes per 8-hour shift. The machine will move around the tubes rather than the tubes having to be spun around manually by the operator. And machine all 3 tubes start to finish without needing the crane. So we have about a 50% increase in productivity. There are about 12 steps that the new machine is doing on each vessel. The first step will be a saw cut off the end of the neck. The next will be an OD roughing tool. Next, an ID roughing tool will rough the inside of the tube. Then we follow it up with more probing just to make sure our dimensions are exactly correct. Then they will come back. Sometimes we need to use a chamfer tool. And then the ID threads will be put on. And most of the tubes that we make will have OD threads as well. My name is Matt Sbrogna. I'm the Director of Operations here at FIBA Technologies in Littleton, Massachusetts. We've been extremely happy with the new Soraluce machine. It's lived up to our expectations, and we see them being a partner for FIBA for a long time into the future.